Hello everyone, I am Vijayan, first year B.Ed student of RI Mysore. In this video, I am going to explain you about two useful Web 2.0 tools. These tools are nothing but a potential tool for teaching and learning process. So, children of this generation are getting easily bored of reading large content in textbooks. For example, this is a 6th standard science book which describes about nutrition and its components. So to drag the attention of the children into the concept, the teacher can make the content in a form of an animation video where the students can easily visualize their subjects and also motivate them to read the textbooks. So in this video I'm going to show you a demo of very user-friendly animation website. It's called as Animoto. The website is animoto.com. To create any content in this website, first you need to create an account. So I have previously created an account for me, so I'm going to log in with my email ID. So this is the main page of the website, and this has my previously done animations. So to create a new content, you have to click on create. There are various types of templates already been here. It has the various type of categories like celebrations, events, and educational narrative. Everything you have. If you want to like directly add some images and content, you can use these templates in your presentations. And when you click on it, the transitions you can see. So whichever video you like, you can use the template and you can create your own content. So let's click and see the educational category. So when you open, it shows a preview of how the animation will be. So based on your interest, you can change the animations and the color of the slides, everything. If you click, you can share to YouTube, or you can share to any LMS. And each slide, it will show what type of transition it has. And with the design tab, you can select the type of text and the overall slide appearance and the transitions. So it has various transitions and templates. So after you added the templates, you can choose which audio you need and which you like. Even your voiceover you can add to the animation. So whatever the layout you want, you can change it, and the color of the slides and the text and the different types of text like title, content, quotes, you can change according to your interest. So let's go back and let's see how to create a new animation. You have to click start on scratch. So first it will ask what type of templates you want, what type of the transitions and the text and the designs you want. There are various text, you can choose any one of that, and when you click on that, it will show the how the transition takes place. So next you can to choose what type of ratio you want, which is like you want to upload in Facebook or YouTube or LinkedIn. So any type of transition you can choose. Even for mobile type, you can choose the templates. And next, third one is the upload media. If you want to upload any pictures for your content, you can choose. And I have taken the, I'm going to make on the topic nutrition, so I have already downloaded some of the images. So I can select it and just drag it to the website. So it will take time for adding. So in stock, you can see the various types of pictures the website provides. And if you want to favorite any pictures, you can do it. The pictures you added, you can favorite it, so that in another animations, you can use the same images. So with the layout options, you can choose the different type of layout and the type of images you can choose. So in my content there are about 7 topics, so I need to create 7 slides for filling up my content. And from the website I can select any of the audios, or if I want I can choose any of my own audio from my device and add to the animation video. Ratio we can change whenever we need it. And after you add the content, you can click on the play options and check whether your preferred template is being played. So there are about 9 contents in my material, so I'm going to create 7 templates for this. So click on the add options. There are many templates like media and text only or media only. So I click on media and text because I need to add both the pictures and the text for my content. So I created seven subtopics. So simultaneously I can just drag and paste the pictures, and to add the text I can click on add text. Different types of text are there: title, quotes and subtitle you can choose, and each type of text has its own transitions and animations. So as like in the word processor, it has its own designs like text and designs of the text, background color. So you can click here itself and add the subtitles you want. And like in the PPT you find, you can choose like send forwards and backward options. So my topic is nutrition. So I can just copy the content and paste in the subtitles. So I can bring it towards right side or left side or in the center according to our wishes, and choose the font size. So after we complete the editing we want, we can just play the slide and check whether everything has been functioning well, and we can repeat the same process for different slides. It's very simple. We just need to drag the pictures and just copy the text. You can change the background color as well as the text color, and the image background also you can add like grayish or blackish, whatever effect you can add to the image. So this is the animation it is going to play. So next slide you have to drag the same content. You just need to paste it here. So I'll quickly forward it for the rest of the 8 slides. So every time you complete the one slide you can check it, and if you want the changes in the duration you can change by the plus and minus symbol here. So all the slides have been made.
Now before saving it, you can change the name of the animation you have made it. I'm typing it as nutrition.
So once you have completed all the slide, before exporting it, you can just see the preview of the slide. So after checking the animation, you can export and you can share it to your students, and you can even download and send it, and or else you can share it through various websites like YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, etc. And or you can even copy the website, the link of the animation, you can copy it and you can send it to your students. So this is all about Animoto. The next tool I am going to explain is WebQuest. It is nothing but a web-based learning tool where the teacher assigns the students specific tasks and guides them with instructions. Students learn the concepts with inquiry-based method. So there are different websites to create WebQuest. So now I am going to use bookwidget.com to create an WebQuest. So to begin with, you need to create an account in this website. So click on Start on Free, and you can create with Google, Microsoft or any website you want. I have already created my account with Google, so I'm logging with my Google account. So this is the main page of the website. Here in home you could see the different widgets you created, and where the teacher assigns different tasks to the students, MCQ questions and word-based assessment you can see in these widgets. And next is student work. Here when the student submits any answers, you can check those as answers. In the what's new column you can see what are the updates the developer has made, and we can learn about the more features if we read this. And in the find help section we can see the tutorials, knowledge base and email, where we can query our doubts to or the problems to the developer. And if we click the students work, we can see the what the students have answered, and we can grade them accordingly. This is the fake answer sheet. I have made it for a demo. Here the green color represents the correct answer, the red for the wrong answers, and the gray for the not answered questions. So by this we can know about the how the students are responded to the questions we have created. So to create a new widget, we need to go to the widget column, and we have to click new, create new widget. In the left side if we see live, where we can record the continuously the students activities, but it has to be connected with the LMS, that is like a classroom, Google Classroom. We have to connect it with the software where we can assess the students lively. In accounts we can see the details of our account, and in support we can see the where we can ask our problems and queries and any suggestions we can add. Let's create a new widget. So we have to click on create new widget, that is we are going to create a web quest. So there are different types of activities present in this website, for example quiz, timeline, worksheet, flashcards, and also in the games we have different types of crosswords, bingo, jigsaw puzzles, word search we have. And we can have the activity in kind of pictures and image and max, and also we have third embedded party like Google Maps, PDF viewer, and the form or survey we can take through these activities. So let's click on web quest. So this is the page of the web quest. Here the teacher can give different tasks like, and the process where she can explain how it has to be done and evaluate with different techniques, and while concluding she can explain like what the students have learned by this. There are also some of the options given on the left hand side. the general tab, we can type the title we are going to give for our web quest. So I'm going to do on deforestation, so you can type deforestation here. So this back button is used for the students when they view the screen, they can use this back button to go to the previous or the next page. In localization we can use the language which we want, and the cover image we can choose from the design tab. We can choose either from the device or import from drive, or you can find from the online itself. So you find the suitable image and you can add here. So this image, this will be viewed when the students open the quest as a cover page. So let's create a new web quest, and before creating also, like, we can add various number of tabs. Like after the conclusion, the teacher wants to discuss something, she can take use of many tabs. So any number of tabs you can add here. So let's moving on to the introduction. I want to give an introduction on deforestation. So I am typing like this: deforestation means the clearing and cutting of forest, and it is done for agricultural, industrial and urban uses, and when it is not controlled, it becomes hazard for the environment. So in this web quest, the students will be learning about deforestation and effects of environment. So in this option we can add an image or links, or we can add another embedded widget in this web quest. For example, it will be useful when evaluation. So in this column and row settings, we can add any columns, and if you want to add any data in that, we can make use of this column. So let me add any image related to the topic. So I'll search deforestation. So moving on to the next tab is the task. So here the teacher can give the task she want to give for the students. For example, I am giving a task like they had to interact with their parents and know why the deforestation is being taken place. Second, I'm asking them to write the list of resources we obtain from forest. And third, I'm asking them to write a note on the importance of trees in the observation. And after completing the activity, I'm asking them to move to the next step. So next is the process. Here we can like guide the students like how to they have to like complete the task it has been given to them. So we can give them instructions, and also we can make use of any videos. So I'm asking them to watch a video to understand the importance of forest and the cause and effects of deforestation, and also to make emphasis on it, I'm asking them to make notes on the important points they see in the video, and also saying the test will be conducted on the concepts which they are learned in the video, so that they keenly listen. So in the plus sign, they can add the link here, that is from the YouTube. You can copy the link and you can paste here. So one thing is you have to take a age appropriate video so that the small kids can understand it. So you go through all the videos and see which one is suitable for your class, and also see the title of the videos, is it like suitable for your content or not, and play the video and check whether all the topics which you are going to explain is being covered. And also you can see in the description given below of the video, and also you can check for any copyright issues. And after that you can tap share, and you can copy the link. So this link you can use for pasting it in the web quest. So the same plus sign and the link, when you paste and tap enter, the video will be automatically added in the page. So the video you can play it from here itself. So the process has been made now. So the next tab, it is evaluation. So here the teacher can evaluate like how much the students have learned the concept. So we have to guide them like sequentially, like after watching the video I am asking them to revise once the key points in the notes. So I can here give the questions here like 1 2 3 and all, but instead of that we can also create a widget here itself with the help of this settings option. So let's go back and make a questionnaire for evaluating the students. So click on create new widget, and if you go down, different types of like questionnaire will be there. Picture based on, we are choosing worksheet, and if you click add questions, different types of questions are there: multiple choice questions and color based questions and object questions, rearranging picture photo question, audio recording question, and matching the question. And also for my topic I am choosing a MCQ question. So I'm asking the questions from the content like what is deforestation, and we have to give the options below. So we need to check on the correct option, and after that we can click several options like making the questions random. And this rational option I can like add an image or any text to give hints to the students if they find any difficulty, or I can also add an image. So here we can set the size of the image, big or small, medium, and hint also we can provide for the question we have given, and audio clipping. And before that we have to give what score we want to give for 1 or 2 marks, how much marks we want, we need to type that in the scoring. So I'll quickly go through the questions I am going to give to the students. The more important thing is we have to set the marks allotted for this, so only during the evaluation part it will be helpful for giving marks for the students. So I'm adding 3 questions for them. So before like exiting we can preview it and we can view whether all questions are correct or not. So I can give the name of this as deforestation worksheet. So we can go back to the widget now. It will be saved automatically as default. So after going to the evaluation tab, click on the plus sign and the settings option. So here you can select the required widget. So students when clicking on it can directly, it will lead to the worksheet page. And last tab is the conclusion, where we can congratulate the students, like give them positive reinforcement. Here you can give bold, italics, underlining, all the options are available here like in any word processor. So you need to congratulate the students and give them positive feedback in this conclusion tab. And also you can add some of the value related points also relating to the deforestation, like it is responsibility of us to take care of the environment and we have to use it in a sustainable manner. So this is what all about webquest. So it is a useful tool for learning systematically, and it creates interest among the students. So before sharing it we can see a preview like how the students will able to view it. So all things we have to check it before sharing to them. The task tab and the process tab, and the video is like available here. And evaluation, if the students click on this it will move to the worksheet page. So for example I am clicking on it, and to check it I am just clicking and checking whether everything is working fine. So when submitting, the student has to type his name and their email IDs, and it will be automatically sent to the teacher's email. So after that also we can view the correct answer, it shows tick or wrong for the wrong option. So conclusion, everything is fine now. So we can move on to this and we can share the link to the students with various apps like Classroom or any social apps. So just I'm checking the correct answers for the worksheet. So just now I answered it, and like everything is, the options are fine. And also we have options like creating different class. If one teacher is handling 2 to 3 classes, they can organize these widgets according to the class. So I'm moving this deforestation to class 7. So like this we can manage the classroom.